Good morning, everyone. Say hi, Jake.
Hi.
Saturday morning. It's junk time today. So let's see what they have. Okay, this is how much. I think there's more downstairs, but let's do this first. Oh, I've never seen this place this busy. Look at that. Okay. Open it up. Almost empty. Just the good junk. Scrap metal left. Okay, Jake, we're done with the junk. Well, not quite, but almost. Before we go to our next job, which is moving. So we'll meet well there until later on this afternoon, maybe 1 o'clock. All right. See you later.